On August the 31st, NASA astronaut Butch Wilmore reported a strange pulsing noise from the speakers of the Starliner spacecraft, which is currently docked at the International Space Station. Mission Control described the sound as similar to a sonar ping and noted it was due to an audio configuration issue between the spacecraft and the station. NASA assured that the noise had no impact on the crew, the Starliner, or ISS operations, Space.com has reported. The spacecraft, which launched back on June the 5th, will return to Earth uncrewed on September the 6th due to safety concerns, with astronauts Suni Williams and Butch Wilmore returning aboard a SpaceX Dragon in February of 2025.